No, 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 no. Yeah. Hey, welcome to the Clear Cup Podcast, baby. Clear truth, clear views, clear news, clear clues, clear rules. The Clear Cup Podcast, the Clear Cup Podcast, baby.
By the way, guys, welcome to Clear Cup Podcast. It's a brand new week. It's a public holiday.
Yes.
Happy Youth Day.
But that's why it's okay. Shoot that some
Having a weird random.
days. Yeah, random times.
Yeah.
But yeah, happy June 16. Happy.
And
Youth
apologies
Day.
for this episode. I closed at
It's gonna
normal
drop
3
late.
p.m.
Yeah, it's gonna drop
Probably
late.
8.
Yeah, it's gonna drop late.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
today's
But
it's gonna
today's
drop late.
definitely.
But yeah, we're gonna
Yeah.
have a nice and clean one so it doesn't have a lot of effect to.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And yeah, how are you guys? Are you good?
Hey,
Yeah.
man, now we're good. Just that something.
Yeah.
World Cup, woman.
Yeah.
Shout out to the polygamist.
Yeah,
Damn.
shout out to
Like,
them.
AMC,
World Cup was
Mentioning the World Cup, man. There's so much that I want to contribute.
to
your
the
sports
sports.
cast.
Yeah.
But you know, as we shoot late today,
Yes.
it's just testament to the day
The
that
day that you had.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
if
so-
if you're available on Sunday, we're shooting
yeah,
again on.
and I
Sunday.
don't know if you know my cousin Refilwe Fifi.
Yes.
You know.
Very well.
No.
Yeah, she's wanted to come. She wanted to come.
Seriously.
Yeah, and you know she can talk. Yeah,
Yes, definitely.
So,
I'm
and I said, I'm interested. I want to go with you.
She'll come next time.
Yeah,
she's-
definitely.
She's coming.
Yeah,
She's
definitely.
coming this week.
And
Okay.
Yeah,
there's
she's
one
coming
thing
this
that I want. We still haven't had that opera, but we'll talk about it. In terms of so, Anna Tamil shoot take up with the yag. Or put like a man.
Mkiti.
Oh,
And
yes.
I saw on the reel somewhere he's doing some work as well.
Yes.
Yes.
Mkiti.
Come
Yeah.
on, man.
We would say drops reminders
But
on a normal occasion.
hey,
Yeah, he would say drops reminders.
Mm.
But-
It was a different. Weekend then was weird, guys. Let's move
Yeah.
on.
But yeah. You guys went to Kiki's
yes,
until when did you stay?
I think around
It's under the new ownership now, under new management.
Really?
hey.
But then-
Instead and
But the previous owner,
hey,
FK,
hey.
is now
Really?
the guy running
Really?
unconfirmed.
Unconfirmed.
That's what I hear.
Okay.
How the previous owner FK? You mean
Not-
Mr.
The person that FK boomed
that
under.
made it?
That made it.
yeah.
Mm.
Was
okay.
he? Yeah.
Okay. We left at around 10:30.
Yeah.
Hey.
It would be good if he's there.
Yes, I
Because
agree.
I think he knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
I think he's
Yeah, no care. Imadi.
I mean,
Yeah.
amongst but what Bayabagan in Daukasi, he knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, and it's a pity for a person who runs things of that much things like that magnitude. The place is small for him. Yeah, but let's hope that he will also have access to Kahari to be
Definitely.
able to be allowed to operate.
Just- yeah.
Yeah.
You know. So yeah, before we started the show,
Yeah. She does moves.
I looked at everyone and they were all trying to imitate you. and even Drops was close. I don't know if you guys do that when you guys have your spare time.
Not
You
even.
practice.
The practice moves.
Yeah, but I looked at Sichab, I looked at Robin.
No. Shall we
I
dance?
mean, o tseba hore nna ke fihlile pitseng e di wa
Yeah.
Yeah.
so ke vaile ka plaka already.
As a matter of fact.
Exact. So by the time I was just having fun.
Yeah.
Not
I think with these dance moves, I didn't naturally kabuto.
hey, obviously.
Yeah.
Hey, come to
Yeah.
If you have had the pleasure of seeing Suchaba dance at the week,
Yes.
hi.
Yeah, I know.
Hey.
Kaupula Butle and Happiness were the happiest they've ever seen me.
Yo.
To
Yeah,
the train.
Yes,
Hi.
yes,
He
yes.
was
I know.
so happy. I
Yeah.
died.
But happened next time to my kid. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I saw
Yeah.
the video.
A combination of things.
Hey, it was a combination.
I'll
of
send it in
things.
the group. I saw the video of him
Yeah.
dancing.
Serious?
Yes.
I saw today that you still have files.
I did.
Hey, man, sorry, file, Leo.
I saw today that you still have files. And
And when I make it inside the right time, you don't just give
Yeah.
everything away.
before we get
Mm.
right into our stuff for today,
Yeah.
there's something that we discussed over the weekend again
Hey.
that involves friends and the commotions that happen
Mm.
when we are out having fun,
Mm.
and you find that some people pick fights.
Okay.
With other
Mhm.
friends pick fights amongst each other.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey.
You know, and we have our partners supporting it.
Mhm.
We're gonna go to the partners thing,
Okay.
but I'll stick to. Let me say it's you and I,
Hey.
and the fight erupts. then it gets physical, or it attempts to get physical,
Hey,
and there's an exchange of words,
hey,
which then is not good because I think if you get of a common purpose,
Yeah.
common goal,
hey,
and in unison,
hey.
and how about the issues? We must be able to fix them like adults.
Mm.
Now, with me speaking about his dance moves and how weird he gets when he's drunk,
Hey.
it's difficult to imagine. For the years I've known him,
Hey.
it's difficult to imagine Chaba really wanting to fight.
Yeah.
Usually, my boy.
Yeah.
Not even like really. I'm sounding like Chaba would want to pick a fight somewhere. It's difficult to find Chaba wanting to fight
Yeah.
or wanting to get upset for no particular reason.
Yeah.
That's true.
When you're
Yeah.
out or when
Yeah.
you're
Or having fun.
Yeah.
He's about fun.
Yeah.
He's actually fun
He
himself.
is.
Yeah.
He is.
Go
Yeah.
on. So it made me wonder. Okay, remember, this comes from the issues that we normally talk about to say, do we have people who misunderstand you
Hey.
and start becoming jealous of you and misunderstand you and start having imaginary issues
Hey.
about you? Because it's difficult. Look at how we chilled
Hey.
over the weekend. You got along with everything.
And
And you
everyone.
would support everyone who says something against anybody else.
Hey.
Because you about, let's reprimand, but let's remain
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Focused.
Yeah.
Definitely.
to the goal.
Definitely.
Happiness has to like, when I happen
Yeah,
I
already.
drops. I don't think and
Yeah.
happiness started. Yeah, I want to also say
Exactly.
You know.
Exactly.
then it make me want to understand. But as friends, I get the strength, the personalities,
Yes.
the energies, some of what to say. But you can't like happiness if you're gonna fight with her. Remember when I had a little bit of
Hey.
an altercation?
Hey.
Nalien, in terms of dealing with issues.
Yes.
Addressing-
Yes.
we
Passionate.
we are passionate about things.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And how did I address her? We address them from a level of passion.
Yeah.
You are passionate, but apply element here, the human element more.
Yes.
To say, if it's not gonna affect me that bad, it's okay.
Hey.
Yeah.
Let's deal with it, but it's
Yeah.
okay.
Hey,
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
now we'll talk about it to a T.
Yes.
And to even make sure that on good log
Yes. I want you to.
Listen.
you won't take it there. You won't say, well, I won't take it away.
Hey.
You won't take it there.
No.
You would say, that was my piece.
Get
And
that
that's
deal,
what I
I'm
want to
done.
say. Oh, now when I saw that, I'm coming out.
Do you
Get
understand?
that outside. Yeah.
I
see
get-
how-
I get
you
your
see how
point.
different we are.
Yeah.
Mm.
But we always manage to get along.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even through the fights.
Yeah.
Even through the misunderstandings.
We've had
Mm.
fights
So
in this whole
why
group.
does it have to be between friends? Why does it have to go to an extent where it say, I be the fork, I be the bama, I be the ing?
Oh my god.
Mm,
Do you see?
Yeah, it doesn't have to get.
It doesn't
Nah.
Because the whole weekend they're cheating together.
Mm.
I now completely
I don't even remember what I one
mamang
fight.
asashibile mamang weird mamang
Mm.
sakwatete mamang.
And we chill with. Let me also show you another thing. How you cheat? There's also going to be one extra person who's not accustomed to the group.
To the group, yes.
yes. Quite frank, quite often.
Yes.
I was shocked when I walked in and the numbers game was going on, and baby was like, I was trying to talk to her, and she was fully
Locked
focused and
Locked
focused.
in.
Yes.
She was like,
Locked
and I
in.
was like, I didn't even think she's
Should
someone
we-
who would want to play.
That would be
Mm.
interested
Interested.
in playing.
Yeah.
And then how she was locked in. She only drank once,
Yeah, she only drank twice
Because of the
when she was
mistake,
locked
yeah.
in. She was locked
but she was locked in. It's a pity
Yeah.
that towards the end she got some bad news.
Okay.
Then we had to talk as we walked
Hey,
outside.
hey.
Then we had to deal with the
Also,
bad
well,
news,
okay,
that we dealt with. But yeah, nevertheless, guys, I want to address that to say, but how does it happen to friends?
Hey,
Okay.
okay. Okale.
For Nesel
Ebe
Hosa.
fihle body facing.
Yeah.
For Nesel Hosa.
Yeah,
So-
I agree with you.
That guy we fight. We fight.
Yeah.
I can imagine.
You know,
I-
and but you won't pick it up. Sometimes we are fighting or we are addressing an issue.
Yes.
Mm.
But the energy we want on.
Mm.
Even when I'm wrong and he address the issue inappropriately,
Mm.
I'm gonna come back to him and
Mm.
we're gonna discuss it. It
Mm.
happened in December where he addressed me in the level that I addressed him, and then because now I was
I-
going,
That's where
Then
I
go
escalated.
Yeah.
I took it.
Yeah. It
Come on.
escalated
Yeah.
to something that it didn't need to.
Do you understand?
Mm.
Yeah. But yeah, nevertheless, guys, we hear that Jub is arrested.
Eish, man.
On
I-
the case
this guy-
with the Uber driver.
Hey, So onana Uber driver jolali media.
Yes.
And there's a pulling of gun somewhere there.
Engari he pulled out the gun. I can
Yeah, and that's
That's
a
kidnapping.
charge now
That is
Yeah.
for kidnapping.
Kidnapping.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, on its own.
So Ntoya now only a license for his firearm.
No.
He probably does, but I
think
don't
he
think
does.
ex-convicts can they?
Hey, you are. Hey.
I don't
You're
think
onto something.
ex-convicts
I
can.
don't think they can.
All the
Yeah,
lawyers,
because-
please tell us.
I don't think they can.
I don't think
I don't think they
ex-convicts
can.
can have
Yeah.
a registered gun.
So he's
Yeah.
under Nto. He's under Akon's label. Convict music.
And he's probably singing the song.
Yes, yes,
Oh snap! I got
yes.
locked
But yeah,
up.
Lebanese, thanks for that. I don't think he's allowed.
hmm
Yeah, I think there are certain laws
That-
around
yeah.
that. Yeah. Not sure if maybe it stands if the offense was not related to a gun.
What was
previous
his
offense.
first?
Hey.
What was his previous offense? Can?
No,
No,
letting one
chase
alcohol.
it in.
Yeah, no, that's
Over
it. That's
Yeah,
murder.
some
sure.
passed on. But
Yeah.
not only this TikTok, Adam and Osi. Are keo he jupu la hopola ke ya nena na thuli bana ka koloi tsa di-Italian job a e ka laga.
You know,
Oh, but Italian job never drive at the Mini
you've
Cooper.
got to admire
Wow.
Mzansi's humor.
Definitely.
Yeah, no.
Definitely.
Talking about it too. But you're not allowed to say it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
In
In the midst of a
everything.
tragedy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But all I have to say about this one, I want to hear Jup,
Mhm.
the guy doesn't learn, man.
he doesn't learn. Nah, he doesn't
Like,
learn.
Nah, he
what are
doesn't
you
learn.
doing? What are you doing?
No.
Nah, he doesn't learn. Man.
You know Otwada.
Yeah.
What are you doing pulling out guns?
You're going back.
You're out of Theresa, period.
Yes.
I want to say, and I cannot like usual. He's an adult. He's 45 years.
He fixed
He
his
should know
life,
better.
bro. Like he knows still do
Yeah, but that's
life.
and then now,
I think we can easily say Jup is a millionaire again.
yes, he
Probably,
is a million.
yeah.
So
again.
what are you doing?
What are you doing?
And now because now he's locked up, cheating couples are happy.
I saw on social media.
Yeah.
So Jola Gamnani.
So Jola Gamnani,
But
manje.
yeah,
Hey.
it's also said that when during his time in prison, he lived the life of a god.
Yes, he
In the
did say.
prison,
He did say.
Uh,
Oh, we're not Napila Mana.
Napila Sharp.
Like the first time.
Yeah, Mama
Mm.
Jackie would enable
Eh, Olady, ne?
everything
Mm.
for him, even if somebody the president of not to one
But I get that was an accident. This
What
one
was
is on
an
purpose.
accident?
I get the accident. I mean, he was drunk and
Oh,
all
when
of
he was
that, but
locked
like
up,
that one was
It
an
was due to an
accident.
accident.
Yeah, so I don't
Yes.
think the mom took it that
But
serious.
I
like,
think we can safely
What do
say
you mean the
happy.
not the mother of the kids. Like why? Una highly innocent because she inherited still an accident.
Nah.
No, moi, mtshwere jwalo.
Umtshware jwalo.
That's the relationship.
Spoiled bred.
Oh, okay.
O jwalo, o jwalo.
45-year-old spoiled bred.
Is his mom still alive?
Yeah,
Yeah, Mama
yes,
Jackie,
yes.
yeah.
Then he's gonna eat nice again.
Something well connected kaka ANC.
Yeah.
Somebody well connected.
Well
kaka
connected.
ANC.
Oh.
That's why-
But-
Yeah.
What do you guys think is going to happen to Juju?
I think he's gonna get sentenced. He's gonna get convicted for this one.
Abaken.
Not again.
Wait,
I-
I
I think
repeat
not
it.
again. Not repeat. That's Anya.
I don't think so. I think they're gonna settle or something. I don't think.
I think they're going to settle.
Yeah, I
They
think
might
they're
settle
gonna
out of
settle.
court because what look at the work that this person is now doing
Hey,
and how far he has come
Hey.
now. Since
hey.
we can negotiate something.
Yes.
This is the Uber again.
Yes,
Hey.
I think they're
Uber
gonna
charges
settle.
dropped. So bona Uber sa so bona hane o mo hira e ngotse pitse company ngotse pitse ha sa ngotse pitse so ngotse ha be Uber ke ntho bitsa ke love more
Yeah.
love more
Someone
love more
said
one
Yeah.
some by say duos
They have to.
some by say duos
Some by-
yeah
They
Yeah,
have to
no.
go and give him money
I think they're gonna go
They
negotiate.
They wanna buy me a car
and a house.
And a
and a
house.
house
Something
if he's
around
illegal in the
that.
country they wanna get him paper
They're gonna get him papers so he doesn't go home.
Yeah.
no.
yeah
I don't see him
and then
doing
if
that.
he's not serious girlfriend didn't make it to girlfriend I'm fun now
Yeah.
Sorry,
Who
no,
feel? But what's what? When I heard that,
yeah
because now I was always Kibuela with the whole Amanda thing.
yes
Mhm.
I was always Kibuela Juju.
yeah
Mm.
yeah
But now I'm starting
you know
to change my mind about it.
Maybe he is
about
crazy.
it,
Yeah, like the guy
He
is
is
really
crazy.
crazy,
yeah.
bruh.
Crazy, it's
Cause
crazy.
what? What do you mean, bro? And Uber,
Ah,
banna,
munna.
banna, lots of tuhlanya
Ah, come on.
banna.
And this
What's
all
up?
happened cast about 7 a.m.
Yeah.
What
Why not
time?
plan some 20 wa
What
ka
time?
simo ikhanela ke ya yo
Ah,
wa
what time?
jella
That's seven.
That's seven.
Boseng jwalo.
nah you go better na go
Emre, deep
Ah.
boroko.
Ah, what time, Juju?
yeah nah
Is he in jail now? He's
He's under-
arrested.
I don't know if he got
I don't know
bail.
the details now
Mhm.
but all I know is that he was arrested probably now released
Yeah, he probably made
Hannah Maubani, he saw a magistrate.
yeah
Oh, it was his first appearance. Couple, he just.
I
saw-
get Tamilo Wapere in front of a magistrate.
Oh.
Yeah. Now, ke tlo go teng hanyane derailing a bit when you mention a magistrate. Came across this video this morning.
Hey.
This guy, couple of court, well magistrate, and then defense lawyer high,
Hey.
high,
Okay.
right? Or somewhere. I can't wait for Ninning, I can't wait for next week or whatever.
Hey.
Whatever, we have to deal with this now. No.
Mm.
Then, member of council, defense,
Hey.
walks up to the magistrate.
Mm.
And then magistrate he's my husband, I know where he is. The defense lawyer.
The magistrate.
Is the magistrate's husband.
Ah.
Now they have to get a new
The person tried. I hand over if you because wow. He probably didn't know. So wow. Presiding officer over my matter. How can I do the same thing that I was saying, that which leads us to our next story.
Mm.
This Bloemfontein thing that happened.
Okay.
Mhm.
A student teacher was assaulted
Yes.
in Bloemfontein.
Yes.
And then
In
this
a little Blomora.
Kiblo.
Mm.
So this
Is it the one that happiness in?
Yang pama, I don't know pama.
Hey, I don't know. I'm Vanessa. Hey,
Yes.
yeah.
Oh yeah, I reshared it.
You
Yeah.
also Pamela for this female teacher, ne? Student teacher.
Yeah.
Usa tswilelane.
For relevance, as I said myself from the back, is that the boy who sleeps eventually gets arrested.
Hey, Kimoni Selson.
Right.
Is he arrested now?
Yeah.
As he should.
Then
Kimbo ask you Kenano. How sad do that to one the
Again.
Jonas asa no scoop esa kule ba ka tswela pele.
Yeah. So he gets arrested. Now I'm thinking, okay, because
Exactly.
I'm thinking, should anything happen, they're well off.
Hey, they're gonna support.
The boy gets a state lawyer. It
Eish.
says to me, maybe they want to help the lawyer.
Eish.
The boy gets a state lawyer to represent him.
Him, yes.
And the state practically is charged by the state.
Hey,
This
hey,
boy.
hey.
He gets a state lawyer to defend against the state. That the state is this lawyer, I don't defend, is paid by the state.
So,
Many a times we say, even though we want to say conflict of interest, avoid at all times.
Mm.
We want to say, man, you look at this junior attorney's legal aid. I might be wrong.
Nothing. Sometimes the better thing is we pull.
True.
Yeah.
Like in Fana, I choose to go to the matter.
Okay.
Wait, what?
It's a last year story.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Because now here's my thing. These state lawyers
Hey,
who are supposed to defend you
hey.
are people who
Wow.
later want to be enrolled in the NPA as prosecutors
Oh, hey, hey.
for the state.
Mm.
That's what I'm thinking. I don't know if it's
If it's
True,
factual.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
factual or not.
Hey.
Now they come in and they win cases against the state continuously.
Mm.
Now, do we say these are good lawyers and the state can absorb them to go prosecute?
I think you can, because if you win a case against the state now you're actually strong enough to
Good.
win against.
So meaning they can absorb you
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
to be able to prosecute
Hey,
I think
Yeah.
that's why they.
for the state.
I think
Yes.
that's why
Okay.
they're even given those jobs.
yeah,
to prove
to
themselves.
prove if
To
you
go
can win
against the state.
yes.
Then hence I'm saying
Then you're strong
Hey.
enough.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
because if I broaden it, then you make it. Then you have a point.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
If I will do so well on this case,
Hey.
Mhm.
then I can be absorbed
Yeah,
at a higher level. Or I can
Exactly.
be promoted.
Yes.
Perfect. Makes sense.
makes sense.
Yes.
Back to
Yeah.
the story.
And I'm clapping you.
Happiness. As
Yeah.
you shared it, please tell us.
Just
So apparently what happened was I think the parents laid the boy
Yeah.
or something like that. But they drove
They were
like
driving.
went into wrong
Yeah.
on the
oh,
road.
hey, but
So the student teacher was reprimanding them.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
no, how can
How
we
can
change?
we
And
drive?
change it,
She
yeah,
was
stuff like that.
walking on the pavement.
Yes,
Okay.
she was
She
walking.
even says, I'm walking on the pavement.
Okay.
You can't drive on the pavement.
Mm.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
No.
Government did something wrong, so she was reprimanding them. And then they stopped the car and got out of the car, and then they started attacking her. Like, but
Hey.
Yeah. That was a high what.
yes, all of that. And then
That
the
was
child
nice.
came into play. Is she a student teacher? Yes, someone new.
I'm not sure about where she's
Oh,
taking her
'cause-
practicals.
I would understand maybe if I'm Mutsi and then
I don't think the child would have reacted that way.
if I'm
If analyst Gerasa
Sai.
the student teacher. But Banaba know you can never know.
Emane, you'll never know.
Happiness has a point. Might be okay. Ki student teacher sa high and haba
And now feel
That's why-
check the arrogance of old lady.
Bruh, how am I gonna shop? That lady didn't even like.
A female doing that to another female.
Yo.
And then but what's starting to want about Chibanga for
Bro.
this abuse. What's abuse?
It is.
And for mine, you click high.
I'm fine.
Yo, yo, Katel.
It echoed.
Kilometers
It
away.
echoed.
Yeah,
It
it was
echoed.
wrong for the boy to do
I
that.
just
It was wrong for the parents to allow the boy to walk off.
Definitely.
After all of
After-
it. After
yeah,
Mnata,
yeah,
yes.
no, no, no.
Because he didn't even get in the car. He just walked off.
Yeah.
I cannot go.
Watching off- Because as me aga bua re dula ho tloha mona ke na mama
Okay, I'll
yeah. Or something.
Yeah.
Also,
And then-
Banan umtlatle ke tatlana
Akata-
ya.
Then you look at Mpagati. Mpagati was like,
Yeah, no.
Mpagati was spy.
Hey.
No.
They go by.
Hey.
And they went there demanding accountability. They went
Damn,
there.
that's
and,
beautiful.
and the boy got locked up. I don't know
Mm.
what
Ho
happened
tlwetsa lanka.
beyond
Mhm.
Mpagati being there.
Hey.
But all we know that is the boy got locked up
Mhm.
and he's gonna face the music for this.
Yeah, cause
but
He has to do.
Now, received from Mpagati's eye.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing that I talked about.
Mm.
With such arrogant parents, disrespecting as they were, all of them,
Mm.
you would think, okay, you would think they've got money.
Mm.
They buy camera or they've got something to
Eba it's
defend
simply-
themselves. Right? Now, why not go to parents can afford a good lawyer
They
to go
can't.
defend their child.
They can't.
what did
What
they
does it
even
say
put-
to the child? I'm
Yeah.
wondering what's going
What's
on
going
in
through
the
his mind?
of a child right now is cheating.
Hey.
Because now he's gonna, should he be found guilty,
Mm.
he's gonna get a criminal record. Like that's school.
Yeah.
Mm.
Probably. Or he might even be sent to juvenile.
Mm.
No, it's child.
Because he displayed an abusive behavior on a woman. And remember
That's
what
assault. Because
on-
Lapish was walking away.
Yeah, just assault.
That's
Yeah.
assault.
the president was very serious about gender-based violence.
Mm.
That's gender-based violence.
Yeah.
Mm.
You know, so let's hope the state sends a strong message against.
Mm.
Yeah, no.
This boy.
Everybody need to learn.
Shamle wethu example guys.
Yeah, so
Yes.
they know one hour has no business.
Mm.
I can't answer to a whole.
Yes.
That's number one.
Yes.
How to about by addresser? Because without the boy being involved, that day I can tell you now. They don't know him when you know.
Never.
Nix. No, I'm telling
It was just words.
Hape. I don't think moshimane a hodisitsweng hantle ka tlung
Would have done that.
if
Yeah.
if hape ntate wa ya sa otle mo hae
Yeah.
Mm.
True. Ibu hape ka ho etsahalang ka lapeng.
ka lapeng ho etsala
Ho etsahalang ka lapeng. So yeah.
So
no.
you think it could be something that he's so like?
a bonang a phelang le yona.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Possibly.
Possibly.
Possibly. Yeah.
Mm.
Hangata bana ba display yang violent behavior ka ntle. It's
Mm.
because what they bona ka tlung.
Mm.
You see. So there's a possibility.
That's why R. Kelly likes playing with booty holes because they played with his.
Dun, dun, dun.
By
So,
the
no,
way,
no, no.
by the way,
Yeah.
you'd be surprised against you the way Butle is not here. She's still very much part of the
No,
team.
she's definitely
She's
part of
still part of the team,
Yes,
guys.
yes.
I know it's like what 3 weeks in a row.
two or three. Yeah,
or three.
yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, it's just
She's
that.
still a part. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Kuningi,
but yeah,
kuningi.
kuningi. Yeah, and then Chris Axel starts rumors
Uqalile hape.
because at this moment, I don't know as we speak now
Hey.
if it's now confirmed,
Okay.
but at this moment it seems it's not confirmed.
Hey.
Qadile ka rumor. You know why Mati say, "Oh, that guy is so powerful."
He's very powerful.
Chris
Chris
Axel is
Axel.
powerful.
Oh.
Nah, he's powerful. He can start something rumor that
He's the Twitter guy. Ne?
yeah.
Yeah.
I love that.
He
guy.
starts. He sends a tweet saying to somebody who is dating GSB, dating GSB. Then people write on it. People write. Bambare. Yo.
Does Chris lie though?
Sometimes.
we are here to okay. Does he ever lie?
Hey.
Or does he lie? Many a times I've seen him post factual things.
Yes.
Many a times I've seen him post things that could be tested.
Okay.
Mm,
Yeah.
mm, mm.
Yeah. So we don't know about this one. And then to somebody who said, is to somebody.
Yes.
She's been-
Hape ba kopana guy because she's in the States.
She's in the States.
He's got files for days. He's got files for days.
Maybe it's an old relationship. Hanan said Tusa Leobo is Tunzi.
How old is Tusu?
Tuso was probably
Tusa's like
much
30,
more younger.
Exactly.
30 something now.
Yeah.
That is something.
She was much more young. I think she's around the 30s, probably.
No, she's around her 30s. Because Women King is like Ali 30, 32, 31. Correct me if
Okay,
I'm wrong, guys.
okay.
Okay.
Married to about 31, they
So now
34.
also 50, 35.
Yeah, I don't think Fitle about 35.
Yeah.
Oh,
She's-
maybe
maybe she is 35 now. I don't know.
Let's get
I to somebody can't
the,
be my
the
age.
reactions as we react.
Somebody is
I have to
old,
be
guys.
like
as
Boma-
well.
Boma 4 years older than her or something.
I just somebody, bro. She's young.
I don't think she's that young.
I think she's around 32.
Probably 33, 32.
Hey.
Really?
That's why
Which is what you are probably saying,
4
happiness to say,
years.
maybe also 50, 35 years.
Type of moon.
Mebdu.
Bedu.
Bedu. Somebody
Yeah.
do South
So the
Africa.
reactions,
She's 34.
34. Yeah.
Damn.
She's 34, yeah.
What's like 92? Yeah.
It's
91.
a very small
91.
number of people who are commenting or reacting to it say, she hit a jackpot.
Come on.
That's boo.
Come John Alexa show
Remember how we were talking about Smooth the previous
Yes.
to say, but does he have money? Because remember, Lily Mofire came under scrutiny. That is
Yes.
not his company.
Hey.
He's just a shareholder.
He's a shareholder.
Ah.
Yes.
There are other guys that he partnered with
Yes.
and who actually probably allegedly have
Have more
bigger
shares.
Mm.
Yeah.
than him. But
Mm.
because he's the guy who's in the streets and has the energy for this.
He's the face.
He's the face of the brand.
Yeah.
That's why then they all decided to bring in Robert Boy when they did. And all
Oh
of that.
yes, I remember.
Yeah.
I remember.
So
Somebody.
what do you think about it? About that
I
woman?
personally, I don't think it's true because I think Medu has so much going on for her to settle such. It's so the wrong word. But it's the one I'm gonna use. Sorry, ne, but to settle for Jisboo. She's done so much with her career to settle for more fire, dog.
Yeah, she's done so much, man.
No offense,
I mean,
Jisboo,
you
love
would-
you.
She can
mwah.
get power play.
You would
She can get. She can get sweet, dog. Dragon, monster man.
switch up and be a monster.
Yes.
And go for the likes of Public Coffee, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
People who've done a lot.
people
and
with a
people
lot
with
of
the bag.
yes.
But again, coming back to Jisboo,
Yeah.
can we say he doesn't have a bag, Marcus? As we spoke about it,
No, I think he has a
he
bag,
has a
but
bag. He claims to have acquired more than he
I
actually
kind of want to
has.
know what his net worth is.
We need to look up to look for it.
funny enough, this is gonna segue right onto something I wanted us to talk about.
Okay.
I don't know if I said it to you on Sunday, but it's related to the news story. Ntoz was asking when told Gaidi Tahi.
Okay.
Mm.
Where does
No,
Blondie London?
London, okay.
Shelter Tadi Louis Vuitton did
Yeah.
Does he not know Londi
And she
has?
responded.
Yeah.
Why is he pocket watching her? Doesn't he know that she has a
Jesus.
salon?
Yep.
She has a hair, a braid, what?
And it's the longest braid in Africa. It makes a lot of money.
Yeah. It's the stuff that Blondie
He's-
said when she was on Binga Nation, another show on the network. She said that she makes money from businesses and there are endorsements
That she
come.
has.
And she gets money from
then
TikTok
she
and all this
still has-
things.
Hey, she did say she's
She
an
still gets
influencer.
royalties for the songs that she featured on and made on
Her
on
song still
Ambitious.
makes money, no chain. There she goes.
one.
There he goes. That one. It still makes
I think
music
she was
now.
also featured on some piano song.
Hey, she also has a new song out
So
now.
get my pussy.
I know by singing. Yeah, but it's
Yeah,
this
so-
one work.
So could we say right here, right now, that she's a baddie?
Does she have children?
How that got us thinking?
Hell.
Can I?
I really
There's a different. I don't know, cause a
a
baddie.
baddie or a gold digger.
Does she date rich men?
She's rich.
She has
You're
a
not
man.
answering the question.
There's a video that circulated where
Her husband was
she
rich.
was around a man revolving gun with guns. I think
Oh.
the guy bought. She bought the guy a birthday gift with
Yeah.
a gun,
Ivan,
a rifle,
rifle,
whatever.
hey.
Eh.
Yeah, no such looking license. Yeah.
And then the
I
guy
haven't seen
seemed
one.
to actually have money.
Yeah, I mean, her ex-husband
now,
was.
now I would say she goes after men that have money.
Mm.
Given how we see Londi,
Yeah.
how she's giving herself to us.
Now I won't be angry at a woman that has money and
Goes
one
for guys
superman
that
that has
yeah,
money.
yeah.
I'm not angry at
What are you
Her
saying?
net worth is estimated to be $2 million.
So you have a problem with happiness going for guys that have money,
a huge
and she
one.
doesn't have money.
A huge one.
You've got a problem with that.
A huge.
But happiness has money now, and it's not. I say Majid. You are laughing. It means, guys, I was lying. Chama's laugh sold me out. I want to protect happiness, but yeah, I want to cover. I want to cover, but Chama laughed because wow.
But
But she can't buy it from them for 15K and then she doesn't have money. You know.
Listen,
so you say
I'm still young. Money will come.
definitely,
Yes.
definitely.
So
You have to go
Nabela,
chasing for it.
yeah, no, I don't have the energy. No check focus. I'm kind of focused on this right now.
You focus, yeah.
I'm young, dog.
I'm even breathing now.
Even-
Slow.
Hal.
Hey, I'm
I'm
focused.
pacing
On
my
drinking.
breathing
How
because I'm
much
trying
is
to
wrong?
think and
God,
breathe at the
now's
same
going on.
time.
I don't have a child. I cannot check na kati.
That's why
I cannot musebeti.
That's why I said, but now I'll contribute to the state's unemployment when I say let off OC and start doing the duties. So I don't want to do that. Keep
No,
OC,
that's not
keep
happening.
OC. Yeah.
That's not happening.
Yeah, no.
Because
I
if
don't-
you want clean, you're checking GS Boost network to come. To
Yes,
find
it's
anything.
27 million,
27 million.
estimated to go upwards to 500 million.
So probably
Man,
50 million, sorry.
50 million,
50
from-
rand.
Rand.
From 28 million to 500 million. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
so
50.
ntho ya Londi, why
$2
have
million.
in
I can see
dollars?
why it's in dollars. Hers is in
I
dollars.
think they're just
Guys,
accentuating.
mentioning dollars, Elon Musk is the first trillionaire. Or
Yo.
Fitable Jeff Bezos,
Trillionaire.
trillionaire.
Nice. That's too much money for
That's
one
too much
man.
money. Akaba Bethlehem almost.
Bethlehem.
Bethlehem. eh?
320.
I think I'm getting an iron.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah,
Remember na
yeah.
bahaya. Ntate Elon.
That is too much money for
Papa
one
Elon.
Papa
man.
Eli.
Yeah, man.
That's
yes.
what Laro said. He said, damn. That's what she said. Yes, being rich is fun and all of that, but it gets boring because everything you've ever wanted, you already have.
Ne.
And now what do you do? Now what?
Yeah.
That's why better to freak off now.
And
They
she's
don't know
not
what-
rich,
Yeah,
rich.
that's
And she's not like rich, but
Yeah.
she's like, I have money and I've done everything. What do I do now?
Speaking of money, man, I'm imagining now how much this boy who invented AI generated glasses for the blind is going to
Oh
make.
yeah,
You know,
he's gonna make
They've
a lot
been
of money.
cleared. Said
I,
sharp.
I don't know, but it's out there. Yeah.
He still needs to go to
His song is
China.
out there. He still needs to go to China to compete at the global
Mm.
Oh,
one.
nice.
Yeah, he's nominated for, in fact, to go
Yeah,
to
yeah,
China.
yeah.
So-
But let's think about when he starts coining it.
Mm.
Damn, man, how many NGOs are gonna buy that?
He's gonna start a bidding war.
Yeah,
Ah,
He's
no,
not a
he's
bidding one.
gone.
he's gone.
Yeah, no,
bruh.
he's set for
if-
life.
If that product is his,
Mm.
and he imagined the AI work around it
Mm.
alone, then he's gone.
He's starting a bidding war.
That
And
time
he-
the Vodacom guy hasn't gotten paid.
Still feels like the first time.
Apparently.
Yeah, man, but he's gone. And it's
He's
something
gone.
Beautiful.
Mm.
I hear that the iWare is AI powered, as
Mhm.
we
Mm,
said.
it talks to
It's
you.
gonna talk to you. It's
Nice.
gonna prompt. It's gonna have a prompt voice.
Mm.
It's gonna speak in your language
Mm.
or in a language of your choice.
Eh.
Mm.
Because kanaba Mosotho mabala, but
Mara batla e bue
Kapa
Zulu,
Portuguese.
kapa-
But currently it's said it's going to have all 11 official languages because we can't say 12 because the 12th one is sign
Yeah.
language, so it can't have sign language.
No, it can't.
Yeah, I can't now. You can't
Just start
now.
doing things there and then you're walking.
No. Ting, ting, pew, pew. No.
Yeah, but when it's a beautiful innovation.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful innovation. I can, because now it's going to tell you if there's
So is
objects
he
in front of
varsity?
you.
He looks young. How
He
old
looks
was he?
young. He looks young. I didn't
They said he was
fully
20,
go into the story.
24.
Is he black
23?
boy?
He's a black boy.
boy.
I'm like, boss, he
It's more
probably
impressive.
fell more.
Satile or
Mm,
whatever.
something
It's
like
even
that.
more impressive
It's
now.
more impressive.
Mm.
Imagine if it was an Indian coming up with that. South African Indian. I say, you know what, I think that was an
Come
Indian
on.
one.
Hey, yeah.
South
Now
Now
African
this is
boy,
very
boy.
impressive.
Mm.
Very impressive.
African boy. I don't know if I'm allowed to say black boy and catch you on 16.
Yeah, African.
Black boy.
Mm.
It's 2026.
Yeah, but he's African.
You know why I
We're
actually
Africans.
didn't even ask you about what I thought for the day. How do you feel? Because the youth of today have made this day so irrelevant, and the government has assisted in making this day so irrelevant. Because now you remember because we were still young under Mandela.
Mm.
Let's say Thabo Mbeki,
Mm.
the time that they have under administration high. June 16th for us when we're coming up, it still made more sense. Still had relevance. We'll celebrate.
Hi,
Day.
Hona Tjena.
We'll be excited to wear uniform. In fact, we should be in our school uniform.
We should be in our
Commemorate
uniforms, yeah.
The day and the people who fought for
Even signal yona.
the.
Not
You know,
the tie
I
guy.
don't even have one school item
Yeah,
in my closet.
When I gave away my blazer.
Yeah,
And my
bought
jersey. I
bought
give away my
something like
jersey too.
But I should stop saying closet. There's people who have closets and there's people who have wardrobes.
You have a
I have a
wardrobe.
wardrobe.
Yeah.
Yes.
What do you have?
Londi
No, I
London
want to walk
has a
on it.
closet.
Walk-in closet
What?
is set up ya
You bought for 15K, man. Because
He said Londi London has a closet.
Eh, but work away.
Hey, and me,
So after 15,000 to get.
I'm not gonna wardrobe.
Yo,
I'm not.
So you even took your dad's wardrobe space for Kenya Kara.
that's why
Damn
she's
it.
wearing his trouser today.
It's not his. It's
I-
not
Because it
his.
doesn't have space.
I'm a dick watching
Right.
from
I wish you could just get up and people see this.
Felicia.
But yeah, man, yeah, if indeed, closing off the story, if indeed
He fully
he's
invented it
product.
alone. Oh, one what's about
Invented.
after he had its first 3 million sort of Dory no.
Yeah, Doggy,
Actually,
man,
there was the
man,
white boy that
yeah.
helped him to
Yeah,
what,
there was a white boy.
like the
Mm.
Facebook
Boy.
thing.
Mm.
Now they were the twins.
There was a twist.
Yeah,
Yeah, that was the
man.
whole thing.
And somebody stole the idea.
Exactly.
Mm.
So guys, let's move on to what I've
Ah,
been waiting for the
Guningi.
entire episode.
Kuningi.
You're
Have we covered everything? That's so we make it the last.
Or the last, okay.
I think we've covered everything.
Yeah,
yes.
we have.
We make
Yeah.
it the last. Yeah.
Guys, so Monday, did you hear my voice was gone? I can send a voice note.
Yes.
God.
So I was like,
I know imagine to Monday was not gonna happen.
I can say about shoot.
Yeah.
I come here shoot.
Funny how our own Jonas put his picture.
Yeah. Black, I watched the whole thing. Ne?
Yeah. I haven't watched the whole thing.
How many episodes in?
I think I'm on 7.
Okay, I'm on
Yeah.
I'm on 19.
But you're gonna
Yeah, I'm on 19. Let me start here. The acting was amazing.
Bro, wait, before you say we generalize the acting, let's give it to Stumom Jali.
Yo,
Yeah, the
Yeah.
main guy.
Jonas.
The main guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my man.
Yeah.
Jonas Komora.
You know, I read a comment that says they don't make them like Class Act did anymore.
No,
Mm-mm.
no.
Remember Stumom
For
Jali?
balance.
Mm.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. They don't
make
make
like that.
no.
But that's Warren comes from there as well. Masamula.
Yes, I think so. I think so.
I think there's
Obani top 5 yabona in the list strong.
Hey, I think
Hey,
I heard
Kaslemo
somewhere where
Sabumdu.
Warren comes from there
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
Yes.
No, they don't make them.
Bonto bo Otiani Kimang.
Sack.
Monna wa Ochirina na Pirates. I give Ratanga hole, man. Fucking shit. Why do I forget?
Muna wa
the
Chicken
name?
Palace.
Shit.
What?
No, I got Pirates into. Oh, Jesus, why?
Who's there?
Fuck. Chirina into.
Who's the wife?
Somebody.
Sombo.
Ah.
Sombo akamsi.
Why am I forgetting this woman?
There's no famous
When I
Sombo.
come back to it. No.
I like how we both went.
Munagi Thomas Kumeti.
Thomas Kumeto ki yana naskimebo.
Bonto. Lokile ga.
Yes, but never.
Msalo o Thomas Kumeti.
Kimang.
One no Hana man. Shit. It's fine. It's
Search
not about the
quick.
woman.
I will search
It was
quick.
about Thomas Kumeti. Okay. They are because remember they all went to producing.
Hey,
Yeah.
This is the third one.
The third one, Scoop Bakatini.
Bakatini, yes.
Mm.
I'm saying their level of acting, you should also see it on. I think they were also on IA.
Yes.
Yes.
You should see it there.
Who was on a
It was.
Tapalo Morena.
Yes.
Bonto, Pop Hobbs.
Nto. Who's this?
Naneke Mratang. Who's that sexy one?
Anna actor Hunto with the Queen. SK.
Bonto.
SK was on the first time.
Yes.
Yeah, SK.
SK.
Hey,
Yes,
hey,
yes,
hey.
yes. And then, as I mentioned last act,
Mm-mm.
we now get. Let me bring it to you.
Oh, Zola Nombona.
Nombona.
Okay,
Mrs.
okay.
Gap.
Nombona.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. You went to after.
Yeah,
That's you know about acting.
yeah,
Now Black comes and he gets more numbers.
yeah.
Now Black is casted over Sharp
Mm.
Like,
Yes,
you know
perfect.
what happens when we get to auditions,
because of the
was
numbers. Yeah.
which was something that in Twibuli, Kimanyu and Navapala goodness with the Queen.
Hey, Nto Zenandi.
Yes, yes.
I love her.
I also love her.
I don't have
personally.
a lot of numbers on TikTok. I don't have a lot of numbers on Instagram.
Mhm.
But I'm Chaba and I know how to act.
Yes.
when you always on the audition form, Baba only the number of Instagram followers you have and
Fuck,
TikTok
man.
followers.
But why?
And-
Why? For views?
I don't know, but
Probably.
I think so.
hey, so
That's why now
the
TikTok
more
does that.
people
Because
will
of
want
the
to
views.
see.
Yeah,
Yes,
because no cap. But I looked at this boy. What was Chabinator?
Hey, Chabination.
Yeah, Chabination.
Hey.
Is it Chabinator? Chabination.
Hey, Chabination.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey.
He got casted on Zanzibar
Okay.
because of the numbers,
Yes.
and he's not doing a bad job. But you can see that he can be polished to do a good job,
Mm-hmm.
an excellent job.
There's a difference between.
He's doing skits, yeah.
I was getting that there's a
Yeah.
difference between TikTok acting and acting.
Yeah,
Mm.
like
Mm.
William Last. You must think twice before you take him to acting. He's talented.
Very
He can
talented.
He can do these funny things,
Yeah.
but let's think twice before you take him to acting.
Mm.
Because remember, we're gonna watch his acting with a mind that has these skits high.
Yeah.
That is, and we might judge him based on that.
Yes.
That's why Chabinita right now we're judging him based on the Tusum Mutaun character,
Yes.
and then we want to say, but Chabination, can you?
Exactly.
Exactly.
Wow.
Exactly.
But we know nothing about your skits and all of that.
Mm.
It's the ads that come, and when you look at them, it's you can do it.
I think there were people in my ear about doing skits.
Yeah,
Hey.
it would suit you.
It would.
Trust you me.
It would.
It would suit you. It would suit you, but is it what you really believe in?
That's the thing.
Hurry, but
Mm.
you need to get gigs over
Mm.
Exact. But people
influencing.
but those people were saying people might see you from those skits.
True.
But now I feel like how it's
True.
a skit, especially funny skits, you get put in a box
Yes.
and you get typecast.
Yes.
And now you can't even be in serious roles.
Like,
and
that
now you
is my
can't-
point.
Mm.
That's my
You
point.
can
right
always be
now.
the funny guy.
You can't give him pop-ups. As a comedian, he is.
Mm.
He's not doing skits, but they are now in fact involved in skits because they're doing PNC.
Yes, yes.
skits. You can't give him a role. Harry Shona Ferguson,
Hey,
and look at the roles that he played.
that he
You
played.
can't give them to pop-ups,
No,
No.
no,
for example.
Mm.
Yeah, because they need dominance. They need
definitely.
Pop-ups can play Jonas.
precision.
No.
Pop-ups can play Jonas.
He can
True.
play Malome Jonas.
Today you're on fire. And he can play
Wow!
Malome
Malome
Jonas. But
Sing
Malome
Jonas.
Jonas can't play Jonas.
No.
Jonas. No.
Never,
Yeah.
never.
Let's talk about
He was the only one that could kill that role.
before you go in depth about
The
because we haven't.
polygamist, yeah.
Let's talk about Magesh,
Yes.
guys. Kevin Goss is good.
I think outside of Zdumo, he was my second.
Yeah, he is my second.
Yeah, he's my second.
Kevin Goss is good.
He's my
He
second.
can kill any role from Mad Buddies
Yeah.
to like
Noche Hashtaya. He still brings in a little bit of comedy and
Man.
funnyana.
How he-
But you see, okay,
there's like serious.
this guy can do
Yeah.
How he embodied that
good
role,
acting.
bruh.
Mm.
There's a scene I think episode man where he's talking to Ace.
Yeah,
Mhm.
wild what is this doing?
Hi, Celeste.
Yo,
Jim.
yo. Ubuwa le Ace, and then he just gets excited like a little girl,
Yeah,
like a little boy. I
Boy,
mean,
yeah.
okay, uthotse chair.
yeah,
Like
Aw.
how he reacts,
man, yeah.
man.
Nah,
He's
man, I think
awesome.
he's good. He's
He's
good.
awesome.
Yeah, he's also my
I think it's on
second.
episode 6. I didn't like episode 6 or 5. I didn't like when that club owner came, man. When
Abamshap.
Abashapa bodyguard, yeah. You could see it was poor acting.
Mm.
Hey, the way I was trying to answer cufflinks.
But I feel like the
That's-
beat up looked professional. Like when he beat him up,
Okay, no.
Tile fast.
It's kind of poor acting.
Hey,
But Tilo
Just-
us.
it wasn't believable because of his stomach.
A bad display.
Mara said, "Java."
It's like Manu Jonas right now fucking somebody else.
Exactly. That quick. And then Usha tried to drink.
Do you understand?
Yeah, I get you. I get you.
Yeah.
It wasn't realistic.
That's why he's a bodyguard.
that's what Black
It
was.
wasn't
wasn't
realistic.
realistic.
Yes.
That's why the club owner brought the bodyguard.
But Pili, ne, there's a scene where he has a fight Lee Jonas.
Yeah.
I feel like to elevate what he did there, he wins that fight.
Yeah.
To prove that Keltia Tswankasi. So,
Hey.
hey.
Yeah, and it was made up by
so
Yeah.
I feel like the fight between him and
His
Jonas,
brother.
was for us to remember that fight.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Exactly.
But
Yeah.
that man again
But
fanaka.
why not?
You would give us that perspective because you know scripting. And
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Yes,
Exactly.
which then helps in this case.
Hey,
As we now
remember-
delve.
In a lot of series, there are sex scenes to show us something.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes.
Mhm.
Like there'll be a sex, let's say sex scene ya Matipa.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you see how he had
Which
sex
one?
with Matipa? No, my man.
Okay.
Did you see how he had sex? Matipa was
Versus
different to how
how
he had sex with his
Yeah.
wife.
Well, there's yes,
Yeah.
yes,
So it
yes,
shows
It shows
why he's lasting for another
for
woman.
another yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's just to accentuate.
And with SC2, I think I saw in the
Yeah,
clips that, you know,
mnatile
three different women, but three different.
Types of sex.
Yeah. But yeah, let's dissect
Yeah,
the show.
man.
I'm not mad at Jonas. Finish. I said it. Bye.
Thank you.
I'm not mad at
Thank
him.
you. Because now women are erupting all over.
I'm not mad at him.
But before we get into that,
Hey.
yeah. One
So-
side.
So the whole cast was amazing.
Beautiful.
The entire cast.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
Joyce was amazing, ne?
Mm.
Yeah,
But I would have casted someone different.
I would have.
Mm.
What's what
I-
Namang?
Yeah.
The former Kitty. Persona.
Yes.
Mm.
Persona.
Yes.
Persona.
Your personality is my personality too. Yes.
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 I was
yes,
gonna
yes,
cast
yes,
it.
yes.
All day long.
Like you man, Kitty Wilhelm.
Hey,
I was
landed.
No.
No.
No, man. It's right here.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Kitty.
Yeah,
Yes.
but Kitty.
Archie still
her.
Archie.
Hey, Archie still
Yeah.
Archie Kakabo is still
Yeah.
Kakabo.
Yeah.
But what a well put together
Yeah.
series.
Beautiful.
Mm.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Mm.
Can we say Joyce real name Lebona? Why do we forget that real name so much?
Then I can see
yeah, I know real name.
Hey.
Name.
She wasn't.
Uzalo.
Okay.
Can you say her weight loss program helped her as well
Get the
being
role.
noticed for the role in the Polygamist? Because I think they knew what they wanted,
Mhm.
and as they looked at talent and how she worked hard for herself
Mhm.
to look the
To
way she
get-
did, then thought
Mm.
she could.
She could
She
kill
could
it.
kill
As she
it.
auditioned, I don't know if they
Yeah.
auditioned all the way.
They probably
handpicked.
did.
Yeah.
Also, yeah, no, I don't know.
Even if you're handpicked, you have to at least audition at some point.
True.
No. So they can see if you can really.
What do you mean? If you're someone like Zdumo, you have nothing
I mean,
to prove.
yeah, no,
And
yeah.
Stumo embodies the role.
Yes.
Why
embodies
embody?
the
Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Mm.
name and his.
He was made for it.
Especially when he just looks at you, like you can see when he lusts
You
for
know who
them.
else I like that
Mm.
is a young girl but coming up nicely?
Lindan.
This girl Dreads. Lindan.
Yeah. She's the one that
Oh
played
yeah, yeah,
Lindan.
the one that
Yeah.
paid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's a good actor.
No, she's brilliant.
She's a good
She's
actor.
brilliant.
Yeah. She's
I'm gonna
brilliant. I love this boy. One else to Menzi.
Means yes,
Yes.
yes.
I was worried on episode 1. Looked at him.
Yeah,
Yes.
I thought none but Down syndrome. Yeah,
Yes, but as,
But he
as
killed
it
his
comes
role.
up, yeah,
Mm.
I see.
He grew with the role.
Yeah,
Yeah, he definitely grew with the role.
yeah.
I this is some of I'm very impressed.
The writing,
The writing,
shout out.
Yeah, I mean,
Shout out
Shout
to
out.
Akina
Casting,
Amotoso,
Akina
the
Amotoso,
director.
Mm.
Amazing.
and Mwanazuma, Mang, Judu, Judu, Goku,
Hey.
Goku,
Oh,
Putting Lena,
Otelian as
Yeah.
part of the director.
yeah,
Okay.
producers.
Producers,
Yeah,
yes,
Putting Lena.
yes.
And it's beautiful to learn that it's actually taken from a book.
Yes, written by a
Some guy,
Zimbabwean.
Sunyati
Mm.
in Zimbabwe.
Hey,
Yeah, and as I read I hear that Trelo Rangebukai put it out there and it was rejected somewhere.
Mm.
And then probably these guys came across it
Hey,
and said that we can
we can do something.
And they
do
executed it
something.
perfectly.
very well.
So I get into the big debate now. Yauri
Jonas.
Jonasi, like Happiness just said that she thinks
She's-
Jonasi.
I'm not mad at him.
Ananthu
I
Ronga.
feel
I'm
like
not-
I'm not saying
I'm not
I'm not
She's
mad
not
at him.
mad at him. Yeah.
Maybe he was wrong for moving the way he moved,
Yeah.
but I don't see anything he did wrong. It's his money.
Upper guys, let's
It's his
ask
life.
ourselves one question. Weren't those women happy to be there?
They were happy.
They chose to be there.
Joyce was actually fighting to be
To
there.
stay there.
Madiba was fighting to stay there. And
You
as he
guys
was,
chose.
as he was looking on the sidelines saying,
I want
That's
to
my
be on
place.
the
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
you know, so the young girl fell for it. Lindani.
Lindani. Yeah, no,
Because he saw how Jonas rolls.
yeah.
Mm.
I mean, she saw
She
how
saw.
Jonas rolls, but
Yeah.
she also came
Yeah.
He
right.
vacates it.
Vacates,
And
like-
now when you
Vacates.
And then like especially Matipa, she knew Joyce was there,
Yeah.
and she eventually needed to know, like deep down subconsciously, another same thing was gonna happen.
What's gonna
to her.
happen to her?
So you can't go there. Okay, Naga Stinunana, you're gonna stay forever. No, in Stine, out Stine.
Yes.
The one thing that I saw about Jonas is a psychopath.
Yeah, he's
He is.
crazy. Yeah, he's actually.
He is.
That man is a psychopath.
A narcissist as well.
Man.
Jonasi.
He is a narcissist. Yes.
Yes. Psychopath, a
Yeah,
narcissist.
like
Yes.
Yeah.
Huge narcissist.
Yeah.
He is. But
What?
And I love how he becomes so nonchalant about things, man.
Munna,
he's hara.
that man, munna, every time have mtshwara ne. Every time have mtshwara ka fem. How na mo a ile ke a anyulla di.
However, he facial expression
man.
stays the
Nonchalant.
same.
Nah, but look at how he blames going to have sex with Matipa and end up making twins on how he fought with Menzi.
And I'm
That's fucked up.
No,
man.
guys, that guy is crazy. I mean, some of the things he does crazy, but as for the woman part, no, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah,
You get
they
me.
wanted to be there.
You guys,
Women are erupting now to say, Jonas is wrong. But bona basadi bana who are in Matipa's shoes, who are in Joyce's shoes, and knowingly are now saying, are now only coming out now to say, but Jonas is wrong.
Is
Jonas
wrong.
is a monster. Jonas is what? But they live with men who
do
who are
the
Jonasi.
exact same
But
thing.
guys, Joyce is also psycho.
Joyce
yeah,
is
no, she
psycho.
is.
No, Joyce
She
is
is.
psycho.
Nah, she is.
Joyce
Joyce
is crazy.
Yeah, nah, she's crazy.
Actually,
Nah, she's crazy.
So, but some people are saying, what do you think about this one? They are saying that the only to say AC is kind of a victim because AC agree kiana a nkile nyugo ya ai samfana uzi.
Kena cool like
Kiana the first one.
the first one.
Unkile nyugo ya hai afamfana ayo gele.
I get it.
But another thing I love about Jonas, if he made a promise, he kept it.
Yep.
Jonas made a promise. I'm going to take you out the hood.
Yep.
I'm going to buy you a double-story house.
Yep.
And I'm going to buy you a car.
Yep.
It's just unfortunate that he came back married.
Yes. and
it's just
Yeah,
but
but he followed through.
Yeah. He keeps his promise and he looked out for his brother. Because we can see that Makesh lives under Jonas's shadow. If you look at it,
I give him just into
Makesh.
Anagman.
Jonas.
Jonas
Jonas.
built up the company.
Yes.
Aba he had to high as that qualification.
Yes.
Because there's a scene.
Okay, not necessarily living under his shadow.
Eh,
He is actually looking after
Yes.
his brother.
Who's the
Yes.
oldest?
Yeah, Makesh.
I think
Magesh.
Magesh can have the oldest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is why Jonas Aitoyena, you're gonna pretend that AC is your wife.
Yes.
You're gonna clean after everything that I do.
Yes.
Because you'd be nothing without me.
Yes.
Yeah.
So because I haven't gone far with it,
Hey,
but never Esigibama.
obvious. Give a Johnny boy.
And when I money this
Sarah.
seat.
Sarah Mwana Johnny boy.
Hey.
Hey.
And Sarah is jealous of
Of
cousin,
the
cousin,
girl.
cousin,
Boom.
cousin.
Kazi.
Hey,
Yeah.
boom.
Yeah.
I thought it was on the phone.
Hey. But everything what's one in Kazakhstan series. This was a lift up.
Hey, Kapeli,
yes.
Tap.
They don't keep us in suspense.
yeah.
Tap.
Yeah.
I said to you. They said to
Like I
you.
was
Because
shocked.
there's still more coming.
Hey.
Yeah, I was shocked when Joyce forced Jonas to fire Matipa that quick in the show.
Hey, yeah, that was quick.
Yeah, that was quick. So,
That was very
you want
quick.
to see how far Fallon would go
Hey.
back to show that it's well scripted, although taken from a book. I think they
Yes.
modified it, but you see that
Before
it's
we shot, when you're taking 10 hours.
No, next Shabbat, until I did it.
No,
Continue.
Hannah got 10 hours with
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Chabi and I were talking,
yeah.
and then Chabi was like, "How did the receptionist become immune to the Jonas?"
Yeah, how did she not get
How
something?
did she not get some
tea,
Jonas?
you know, because
I understand Njo, why the cleaner didn't get it. Maybe one from Pankara.
yeah, he fucks up in that movie.
Because the only people that missed him by three fella show
Yeah,
the receptionist,
the cleaner.
the
The
cleaning
Martha.
lady,
Yeah,
le moi Joyce.
yeah.
O tloha moo ba tshitshigantshitse kaofela.
Now that you mention the Modric, at some point I was thinking you're gonna end up fucking Modric.
Le nna thought she's gonna get it. She's gonna get it.
No, let me shame.
Yeah, because
Me,
the
I
way
was
he
there.
rolls.
Because the
Jeez,
minute
man.
e hlaya hore e se entle ke fro ya hae,
Yeah.
I thought Leo lady.
No, lady,
Yeah.
Ah,
you know,
there's something.
and and you look at Jonasi as a man. I watch how he rolls. He's a lovable person. Ladies love
Yes,
him.
yes,
Mhm.
Yeah,
yes.
and some ladies hate
Love
to love, love to hate,
Love to,
hate to love him,
yeah.
hate to love him.
They
Yeah.
hate to love
Yeah,
him.
yeah. And while on that, now check Simona doing her video is now on Twitter, is doing numbers talking
Okay.
about this guy that she shared a flat with, 2 guys, but she's speaking about mainly about one guy.
I want it.
You saw that. And
Captain, one thing.
yeah, go back
Skate
more.
video.
I want it's like couple group speaking about this
Yeah.
guy,
Yeah.
and I was my only worry was what if this guy Martin thing, because she doesn't even know where the guy is, and she
What?
goes on to say
His name.
she got him to the high class.
Hey.
She goes on to say maybe it's more Martin,
Yeah.
you know, or can I shoot like 8, you know, you don't say that. Number two, you don't say that about people because you don't know where they are now. If they're married, if they're pastors, if they're doing, they're living like, because they all know they owe nothing to you, and you've got no business talking about people's issues like that.
Yes.
Because the world doesn't know that one dealer guy like you do. When one dealer was doing that, she was doing that in the spaces. That's why she would bring them to the flat and not doing it everywhere.
Personal space.
Because it's personal space, you know. And how she, I know her, and then I know how she's gonna give 0 fucks about the comments and the reviews from what she posted.
Yeah.
But you don't do that to people.
I don't like her.
You don't do that with people's names.
Do I like her? Do I know her?
Nah, you don't know. She's older.
Okay.
You know,
She's
there's not your
older.
age.
She's not
You know,
your age.
you don't do that with people's names, with people's characters and egos, with people's livelihoods. You know, I think that's wrong. I will drop a video.
Yeah.
You'll,
I think the least she could have done was not mention his name.
yeah,
Just say the story.
You know, and how you should see how proud she is as she mentions his name and all these things that the guy was doing. And then people say, you know what, this one was probably child by Andy.
I
And then
think
she's
so too.
upset.
I think so too.
The date.
Why o ka ba tloella kaofela o ba late strateng kaofela o ntse o na le namatsane ka tlung
Do you
ka.
understand? And again, she speaks about
I'm
one dealer and the friend setting Z. Or Z
Hey.
setting her up on Valentine's Day. Or until she's gonna end up with Z on a table. And one dealer was a no show. And then she says, you know, so probably the friend also ate. How I then want to react to the story. Probably the friend ate or one dealer ate first.
No, I saw that and
or one dealer which is Z abali. Then that's why she's feeling some type of way.
and I'm not happy ka TikTok because ke dula ke ga ke batla bona content ya hae. Like I always press.
But it always appears.
The reason why you.
Yes, I don't like
dislike
her. This,
content.
yeah.
Your reason?
She once talked about me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait.
Really? On TikTok?
No, not on social media.
Oh.
Okay.
It came back
Okay.
to me.
Okay. Yeah. But we good with her.
Yeah.
I know her. She knows me.
Not
You used to
definitely.
live by her area.
I don't even know this person.
Yeah, but like, as stuff goes out to social media, we are allowed to actually.
Yes, and
give
Once
our
it's
opinion.
out there, it's
Give
out
Our opinion
there.
about it, but
Yeah.
yeah, I think it's wrong of her to do that. Like I said, I know she knows give 0 fucks, but yeah, as she currently is not giving 0 fucks because she has the energy to respond to the naysayers.
Oh, what respond?
Yeah, and the people who are against
Hey.
her, because she would tell you, "I'll block you." It's not this. If the content is not for you, don't engage with it. You know, that's her responses.
But here's the thing:
quite regularly.
how poor on a platform like that?
Total comment.
Yeah,
Whatever you saying already is opinion.
Yeah,
Facts.
It's not fact.
it's not facts.
Facts.
Because
Happen now, you're telling someone else's story without the person's consent.
Exactly, and you didn't leave that story because now here's where it's skewed. She says one dealer was getting these girls from church, but then she says one dealer would go home to Mpumalanga Fridays
Until
Sundays
Sundays.
or Mondays.
Jolo
Where
ba
does,
ke
where does one dealer find time to go to church?
Over now, just spanning.
I want that guy to
Spanner 9 to 5. Hey.
Monday to Friday, and he chows Monday to Thursday,
Exactly.
and Fridays he goes home, comes back on Sunday or either on Mondays. So you see, there's people are now dissecting the story and find
I
elements
need
of.
this guy to be
It
smart
might
enough
also
to
be a
sue.
made up story, bro.
I need him to sue. Be smart enough to sue for
Somebody
defamation.
Yeah,
could be made up story.
It could be a made up story.
I
yeah,
need
yeah.
him to
Or there
sue.
could be no person like named one dealer.
Exactly.
Yeah, you know. But if one dealer is, you encourage one dealer to sue.
For defamation, yes.
Okay, yeah, because
What?
can't speak like that about people.
Undira
who-
read,
you know,
dog.
There are people who know the fucked up things that I did in UFs, and they had no liberty to go on any social media platform and start
Happiness.
speaking about me.
You can't sue someone for defamation if what they're saying is true. Ne? Sure.
Yes, but I know that. But what if it's not true?
Defamation is
Untia- Hey.
Yes, but what if some of it is not true?
Yeah, but what if it's true that
Maybe that-
And then what if it's
As-
true? If it's true, then don't
as
sue.
we
But if
listen
it's
to
not,
it,
then
there are
sue.
certain elements that you can tell.
that you
about.
can tell their lies?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I get you. If some of them is
And,
not.
yeah, so
Yeah.
we don't promote that.
Yeah.
You
No, we
can't.
don't. We
You
don't.
can't do
We
that.
don't. Stop
And
it.
yeah, anything else before I go and indulge
I
on
wanted
what's
to ask.
left of
The youth there.
The
Oh yes,
Polygamist,
yes.
on what's
Polygamist,
left.
yeah,
Yeah, just
yeah.
to let's indulge.
Yeah.
I wanted to.
No wait. Now I wanna. I wanna da mwasa da I'm fana.
Umutala Pluk.
Blind I'm fana thing. Oban bam is on it PDC man ne. Da man ki alata scoop sa pizza.
I think because I haven't watched the entire thing.
Hey.
I saw a clip and all of that.
Hey,
Yeah.
wa khotlela na una. Ah, ujoni man na.
Yeah, I guess
Also
so.
now I had a flashback of Hannah's Vevula.
Oh yeah.
I was like, how the mighty have fallen.
Oh,
Who gave him? Who gave him AIDS?
I think it's between two people.
Linda, isn't Lindani there?
I don't
Lindani
think
or whatever.
Yeah, I think it's between the little girl
Yeah.
and there's a female. I will not follow black, but I think what episode 17
Yeah.
there's a female Ayang Hamatip. I can't say Hamatip.
Yes.
Mm.
Ayubat Hamatip.
Yeah.
That's what Ramanum Slakli right there and there. Same time.
Oh,
And obvious guy, Judge.
Ah, my
Kanama.
boy.
So I think it's between those two that gave me.
Well, that was some good,
Mm.
dope acting.
Yeah,
They can repeat that. They can. I mean, I think this is one show that you can say it shouldn't stop.
yeah, no.
They need to
definitely.
keep on becoming creative.
Definitely.
Magesh needs to. Well, they need to.
now my guest needs to be
needs
the one.
Yeah, needs to be the
Somehow
main
they
man.
must.
Ah,
And
Magesh
then
Hafi,
Menzi must come
Menzi must
and-
Menzi
come,
must
ah.
come.
Yeah.
And then
No,
Menzi must be
or
his
maybe for
father in a
Menzi,
way.
You know, one Jonas one Magesh.
Wait, Askis, I want to talk about the ungratefulness that goes on in that show.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Yes, Bapa Tuwe is,
Mm.
Mm.
but they're taken care of.
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
Bapa Tuwe, yes,
But they're taking care.
but they're taken care of financially.
Mm-hmm.
This entitled little bastard, Freedom.
I don't have to win.
Hasil wanam for now.
Freedom.
You want our AC.
Leave the previous boyfriend.
Mm.
Hey.
But he acts so entitled, especially hence a yapi.
Hey.
Ah, lele njale, ostrita.
Hey.
What do you mean?
That's not even your dad. Go look for your dad.
Go
bruh.
look for your dad.
Go look for your
bruh.
dad.
Go
Get
look
your
for
own
your
daddy, bro.
She got your daddy, bro.
Get your own daddy is
Yeah, go look for
crazy.
your dad.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah,
my
so
god.
the
But
amount
it
of
gives
entitlement.
lessons to
Yes,
many families.
definitely.
Gives
Yeah.
lessons.
There's so much entitlement in that series.
Yeah.
So much entitlement.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah.
You have a
Yeah,
So
no
son.
matter
I
where
liked
something.
Freedom in the beginning because he was just that guy.
Who?
Yeah,
Freedom. I liked him in the beginning because he was just in a like he was
Yeah.
just there.
That's one character I feel like can be scrapped and it
There
wouldn't
was
make
no
a
need.
difference.
Yeah, they
There was
wouldn't.
no
Yeah.
need for
Yeah.
freedom. Linda,
Yeah.
there was no need
Yeah.
for that guy.
Yeah.
No need.
Menzi relevant. Good.
Good.
Sharp.
Yes,
Relevant.
Menzi,
There
Yes.
was no need for
The
that.
one
Yes.
Don't pull me.
And then also he showed he played that thing, yeah, the son of the rich guy that doesn't go to school.
Yeah.
Now he feels
Mm.
entitled to
Yeah.
everything his father
Yeah.
has.
Tell me.
He doesn't want to work for it.
Sonia Ndaba, Queen Muroga. I give him money.
Yeah, you're not teen.
Mm.
Does it go? Does she appear?
Ah, yeah.
Amen.
Child.
Yeah.
It was a cameo.
Just the wedding.
Yeah.
Just the wedding. I mean,
Yeah, I nearly came
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
wasn't a wedding, man. The renewal.
Hey.
So if you say it's a cameo, am I allowed to say supporting cast?
No.
No. Supporting
It's a
cast
cameo.
ke after nga tswere di-3
Oh,
afana ka wine ka tafa.
okay. You see,
Yeah,
you
no.
see how I say.
Hey,
A cameo
Because you
is
know-
just.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm,
Probably didn't know the cameo word before. You know what I'm saying?
Excuse me.
It might not be today, but probably because Chaba has used it before.
No, I know what a
Let me
cameo
tell you,
is.
let me tell you what I think about you. Ne? Listen, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Hey, look at me.
Black is on fire.
Listen, I think as we conversate, you listen to a level of English Chaba speaks. Then you try and incorporate that in your
Yes, because then I would remember that word.
Yes.
It's not doesn't mean I didn't know it.
And then you become praise you and say happiness what she's like. Then we forget to rhyme and Give it man so close to Babu.
And then what's my, because sometimes she'll impress you, ne?
yeah.
And then Otta wants actually I'm the female Robert.
I'm a
Then you're like,
hey,
hey,
bless. Why take us back there? You're coming up. The was a day one. She was on fire.
I just had the whole day.
I said okay English.
The following episode of Khutela Robert.
I still have one question.
Yeah.
I have one more question. Nirwaka's Doom, right?
Yes.
And how he's this guy amazing.
Yeah.
Which American actor, if the Polygamist was an American series, which American actor do you think would play John
Maurice
Arthur?
Chestnut.
Yes.
Maurice Chestnut.
Yeah. I agree.
Yeah.
Actually.
Even thingy, bruh.
But
Who's that guy with the blue eyes?
Yes. Njo.
Michael Ealy.
Yes! He would kill it!
The guy.
He would kill it!
Yes!
He would kill it!
Once you did this, my Mwanagamu from Long. I think this next time I went in the guitar.
Hey,
This lady.
Yeah.
Hey, this lady.
Her younger sister, the Blomfontein Fledding, she did a movie, and then
Hey.
and she was so turned on.
That man is walking Viagra. He's walking Viagra.
He would kill it.
Yeah,
He would kill it.
Can I tell you who I think would kill the Joyce thing if it was America?
Yeah.
Taraji P.
Yeah, obvious. Taraji.
Taraji would have killed it.
Lynn Jama. Who was that girl that was playing Bird on? I think is it Bird? No, man. But anyway, Onale Hontolian. Kimuvu, Best Man, the short one, Nia Long.
Yes.
Yes, Nia Long would also kill it.
Yes.
I'm like America. There's a lot of talent.
Yes.
Right? There's a lot of. But you're right. Morris would kill it.
He would kill it. There was this guy. It's comfortable. It's not a movie. You go hold it. Not something harder, man.
Is he an actor?
He's an actor. America.
Kevin Hart. Kevin Hart. I'm sorry. It's almost.
Damn,
I'm sorry.
fuck. He would kill Magesh, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. For his name, Lena, but I don't know what's happening with me and names today, but yeah.
And Gabriel Union would play Matip.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn.
You see with Taraji P.
Taraji would have killed Joyce.
Spot on.
That's 100%.
Yes.
Because she can act crazy and calm in the same
Yeah.
scene. I don't understand how she does it.
And give Taraji P. I like this lady, ne? Beauty in Black.
Mallory.
Yeah.
Mm.
Give her a role in Mewa Joyce. So cast and Taraji P. together.
Now I'm going to throw another. I don't know. Keep also in on. She would play Joyce as well.
Who?
Kimanyo, who got away? How I got away with murder? How to get away with murder?
Viola Davis.
Viola Davis.
Are you on the money, baby? Are you on the money?
It's funny how we mention all these American actors and all of that, and they haven't come up with something like The Polygamist.
In America.
Yes. Yes.
And as we look at it and we see these people that we...
Do you know that it's actually trending in other countries?
Yes.
Yes, it's a good show.
I'm proud of SA. Man.
No, shut up. Amandala.
With this one, this is dope.
And Fire Hugo Blues.
Oh my god.
Before you close it, man.
Oh my god.
Who's this guy that got fired, the coach?
Yes.
After one match.
One game.
Yes. Can we just fire Madala and
oh my god.
There?
Yes.
Or take Wadu, man. Take Wadu there. On temporary basis.
I'm killing. That's
Hey. This has a
wait before. Sorry, one last thing. Sorry. What's happening with Nota and Twizer?
Who's Twizer?
Oh, so
Twizer.
Nota claims that they have an episode that has never been aired.
Okay.
Where he kills Twizer Kawarep.
Okay.
Yeah. And then Twizer came back and responded, Kadividi.
Oh, yeah.
So video no. Yes. How clip?
Yes.
And then white taller, white clapper, and then there are black spots on his head.
That guy's creative, man.
Definitely. And shout out to Twizer for doing that.
Yeah. In fact, let's what's this? It's 4 days. Our next shoot.
Yes.
Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it.
Yeah.
And I still want to. I want him to take challenging. Yeah, no.
That's what I'm saying. Let's
Let's talk about it.
and let's gauge the level of knowledge.
Yes, yes. Vala guesses.
Okay. Hinengivala. Aye. This will always be the Clear Cut podcast from Chabi Mr. Chabi Mr. Black.
Yes.
And I was about to say you pulled the bush there. No, okay.
Okay. Hey.
No, from Chabi one side, Mr. Black and Lehepana.
Black.
So next time.
Bye-bye.